Hey, my name is Gabe, and this is 5 Minute Draw, and like the name says, there's 5 minutes, and I draw something. Okay, here we go. So I've done cats, dogs, snowmen. What's the next logical step here? Bird, of course. So we'll go ahead and do a bird, but not just any bird. It's kind of boring. I want some interesting bird. Toucans, right? The big goofy guys. All right. So let's do that. Let me get a big guy right here. Okay. All right. So see toucans. All right. So toucans. They look like. Let's see. There's the body. I've got kind of like a little head there. The tail's like that. Maybe like that. Also like that. There's the head. Wings like right there. That's it. Yeah, sure, okay. And the head, the beak. That's the thing, right? That's the big kicker right there. That's the beak. They got big old beaks. I don't know if they're that big, but hey, you know, make it look a little interesting there. Okay, there's the tail there, and the little legs right there. There's little stumps there, and like that. Right. Are there 3? Yeah, like that. 2, 3. There's the thing. Hey, okay, all right, done. So there's a little. Actually, does it kind of like? Do they have noses right there? I think. I don't know. Whatever. Okay. So we got our sketch there. So now on to the next step. Inking. Oh God. Is that a good one? I like that one better. Okay. Go. Let's ink this bad boy out. Okay, so let's do this. Get it all done in one fell swoop. So web head's a little wobbly there, but that's okay. Just makes it more interesting. Makes it more attractive to potential mates, right? That's what they look for. Weird heads. Okay. I think there's a nose thing here. It would be the eyes, little tiny little eyes. I think they have a little head piece like right there. Yeah, and then like the wings like right like that. Yeah. All right. And then see the tail just kind of goes out like that. You know what? Because I think for the most part, oh God, that is not what I wanted. Here's what I'm gonna do. Check this out. Oh dang! Oh, look at that. Nice. See that? I don't know if that's a good. Yeah, sure, that looks okay. Black here, and put in the rest of his little leg stumpies and their fat old legs. There's that, and just put a little thing right there, and I guess that's it, right? Still got 30 seconds. You know what? Let me put a little bowl here. A little bowl. And in that bowl are Fruit Loops, right? Because that's what they like to eat, right? Fruit Loops. And his name is Bird. Bird the toucan. All right. Nice. 3, 2, 1. Okay, well that's it. Bye everyone.